This building was completed in 1916, gone through quite a few renovations. The most recent one was in 2001. And the consultant architect did a great job of what they had to work with in here. And I think at the time maybe budget restraints didn't allow them to put in a scrapping system. They simply had a simple sprayer. So we changed this configuration. Mike, if you want to pan a little bit to show, we ended up doing a corner sink, because we all know we have to have our 3 comp sinks in our kitchens. We were able to reuse some of the component parts and save on some budget, but we gave deep, wide and deep bowls to be able to fit our full sheet cans in to get everything submerged. But we didn't do them as deep that it's hurting our ladies' backs when they're bending over to do all this work. On this project as well, due to the nature and the size of the sink, we had to do a field weld, along with changing some breakers and full turnkey installations. What else you want to say, ladies?
I was amazed how quick the project came together. We changed things around a few times, but Tim did a great job for us, and we're all happy with the new project.
I like the added water softener.
You like the water softener?
I do. It makes a big
Yeah,
difference.
for your water here.
Yes.
Well, ladies, hey, thanks again from McClain High School, Greenfield, Ohio. Have a great day.
Cool. So we just installed our new ScrapMaster here. The ladies here have noted that they like the improved efficiency, being able to use 2 hands to scrap